today is going to be a different type of video. I'm going to do an unready with me. Obviously I don't have any makeup on my face, but I will in just a couple of minutes. Also, I want to test out this scrub that I received complimentary from Influenster for review purposes, and let's just get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to do a unready with me, so I'm just going to start taking off my makeup. Just to begin, I'm going to remove my eyelashes, and it feels so good to take them off. I don't wear lashes every day or even every time I wear makeup. I just kind of do it for when I want like a full glam look, but they feel good when you take them off. So I'm going to start out with using my makeup wipes. The makeup wipes that I use are Top Care Hypoallergenic Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes, and they're gentle enough to use around your eyes, alcohol free. This is the pack that I get from Wegmans. It's a 3-pack for $6, and these have been working perfectly fine for me. They're probably as good or better than the Neutrogena wipes. So I'm just going to use one of the wipes and take off my makeup. Alright, so I took the makeup off my face, and now I'm going to take it off of my eyes. I use the wipes on my eyes as well, but since I have glitter on my eyes, I like to use like an oil-based makeup remover. The one that I like to use is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. This is the all-in-one waterproof. It removes waterproof makeup as well, so I use this. I also like to use my Neutrogena oil-free makeup remover, and this is that one. So I kind of switch between both of these. Right now I'm going to use my micellar water, so I just like to take a cotton round and put that on there, and then I just kind of rub very, very lightly on my eye. I don't like to drag it, roughly rub it off my eye. I'm going to grab another cotton round for my other eye. There, the makeup is practically off. Alright, and now I like to cleanse my face. So there's a lot of times when I don't do this because I'm just lazy. I just take a makeup wipe and just wipe it off, but usually in the morning I always wash my face. Before I wash my face, I'm just going to put my hair up so we can make sure that it's not all in the way and getting wet. I try to alternate my cleansers so that way my skin doesn't get used to it. It's kind of like your hair. Your shampoo kind of gets used to your hair, or your hair kind of gets used to the shampoo, so you want to alternate. So I do that with my cleanser as well when I get a chance. The one that I've been using recently has been the Clean and Clear Morning Burst Facial Cleanser. This is oil free, and it has the bursting beads, and it has vitamin C and ginseng, and I have this one. I really, really like this. It does help when you're waking up, and it does refresh you. You feel a little bit more awake, and it smells great. And the beads help to kind of like lightly exfoliate your face, but not like a all the way exfoliation. Also, I like the Clean and Clear Night Relaxing Deep Cleaning Face Wash. This is oil free. It winds you down, washes away daily buildup with sea minerals and sea kelp extract. This actually is the nighttime one. Both of these came in like a twin pack, so I wanted to try it out since it was basically getting 2 of them for the price of 1. So I used this one, and this actually really does help you like wind down from the day. It's really soothing.
I need to move this hair. And all the hairs are coming out.
Yeah, it's really soothing, and it just kind of like like get your skin feeling like ready to go to sleep. Like it doesn't feel that squeaky clean, but it feels clean. Like I don't like the squeaky clean kind of feeling. I'm going to use this one because I used this one in the morning. So I'm gonna cleanse with that. I just like to use one of these just to like rub the cleanser on my face. So it's just one of those like silicone pads that you just use to cleanse your face. I just go right ahead and wet this and put the cleanser on here. So I'm just gonna do that. Alright, as you can still see that there is foundation on my face. There is some on the silicone pad. Alright, and that's not really an exfoliant. Like it does help with getting the dry skin off, but it's not an exfoliator. So I'm gonna wash that off and then we're gonna move on to exfoliating. I like to just take a towel, a regular towel, and I dab my face. I don't rub my face because then you can kind of like irritate your skin. Alright, and now we're going to exfoliate. This exfoliator I actually got sent from Influenster, and I have been wanting to try this ever since it came out, but I just never got a chance to. It's the Pure Sugar Scrub from Loreal. This is what it looks like. This is for smoothing your skin and to add a glow. This is naturally derived from a blend of 3 pure sugars paired with finely ground acai, nutrient-rich grapeseed, and soy oils. This ultra soft sugar scrub is truly kind to your skin. The scrub with brown, blonde, and white sugars rich in minerals melts into skin for gentle yet effective exfoliation, smooth for glowing baby soft skin on both face and lips. So it looks like see effective results. It says immediately you will have smoother skin and it'll look glowy. Dirt, oil, and impurities are effectively removed. Dull skin is gently polished away. And then in 1 week it says the effects are: skin feels baby soft, smooth, and comforted. Skin texture looks refined with a visible healthy glow. Skin looks rebalanced, healthier, smoother, and glowing. We're just going to go ahead and open that up. And it is sealed. I'm just trying this on camera with you guys. So I just figured I would just take off my makeup as well since I had it on. So once you take the little seal off, this is what it looks like in the jar. And it smells really good. It has like a citrusy flavor, citrusy scent, and it does smell like sugar. The pure sugars, there's a few of them alone. They do have clay masks and they have sugar scrubs. So the sugar scrubs, there's one that's for nourish and softening, purify and unclog, and this one is for smooth and glow. It retails for $12.99 on Ulta's website. I'm just going to follow the directions. It says to smooth a small amount with dry fingers onto clean dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Massage over face with wet fingers. Rinse with warm water. Use 3 times a week. Oh, it says you can use this on your lips as well, so that's what I'm going to do. It does feel really creamy. It's a little tacky as well. If you want to see the consistency, that's what it looks like. So that is the sugar scrub. And you take some and you just smooth it on your face.
I'm not sure how much you're supposed to use, but I'm gonna just try to use as much as I want.
And it does say you can use it on your lips, so I'm going to put it on my lips as well. I'm going to do this with both my hands. I feel like you could run through this really quick because I'm already using a ton.
It kind of has a weird taste, so don't taste it if you put it on your lips.
And that's what the mask looks like. So I'm just going to wash it off now. So my skin feels really, really soft, and I like really soft. It is like baby soft. Like it's not that like squeaky clean, but it feels amazing. It smells really great, and the scent lingers, but it's not a bothersome scent, and your face feels really smooth. Even just when washing it off, you can feel the oils in the scrub penetrating through your pores and your skin, and it feels really good. My skin feels so soft. Like I don't even feel like I need to put moisturizer on right now. I'm going to put it on before I go to sleep, but even my lips feel really soft. I love that. I think it feels really, really good. You can use a sugar scrub for exfoliating your lips. You can make it by yourself. This actually is pretty much a more expensive way to do that, but it has a bunch of other benefits, and it's a 2-in-1. Like I said, it's so good that you can use it for your face as well as your lips, and I think that's a plus. So I really like this exfoliator. I'm really impressed by it. Like my skin feels so soft, I can't stop touching it. I really can't stop touching it. And my lips feel soft, like it feels like all the dead skin was taken off. This scrub I think would do well with anybody who has dry skin. Whether you're dry, oily, it doesn't say a specific skin type to use this. It says, oh okay, it says for all skin types. It does not dry out skin, glides on and rinses off easily. So yes, I agree. It's easy to apply it, it's easy to rinse it off. I think it worked really well, and it really is going to benefit my skin, I think. So I'm going to keep using it and see what kind of effects I get. And I guess I'll show you guys updates on how this is doing. But I think for now, this passed the test. Like, I really like it. And I think I'm going to keep using it to see how far it takes my skin. You can always use smoothing and glowy skin. I have a little bit of texture on my skin in certain spots, so if this could help out with that, then I would really love it. But that's the end of my get ready with me. I just wanted to do something quick so you guys can see what I use for my face. I've had some questions on what kind of cleansers I use, and then I also want to show you guys this scrub as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a different type of video. I would appreciate if you could leave me a comment down below to let me know what you think, and also if you've tried this scrub or any of these products that I mentioned in the video. Hey guys, before we go, I just want to pop in and give you guys an update on the mask. I've been using the mask for about 4 weeks now. It's going on a month, and I love the results that I've been getting. I do notice a difference in my skin. I noticed it about 2 weeks into using the scrub, and I do feel that it has been exfoliating my skin, smoothing out my skin. I do have some texture on my skin, so it is helping with the texture. I did have some breakouts when I started the scrub, and those quickly went away, and the scars kind of lost the plumpness, I guess you could say. Um, but I think that the scrub is amazing. It feels great on your skin, and I do use it on my lips as well as a lip scrub, as the directions state. I do notice a difference in the skin on my lips as well, especially when I wear liquid lipsticks. Um, I notice that there's not too much of the dry skin or flakiness on my lips. I do also notice some additional glow added to my skin, and I really like this scrub. I think the scrub lives up to what it claims, and looking forward to trying all the other scrubs that they have with L'Oreal. There's 3 sugar scrubs, and I believe there's 3 clay scrubs, which includes like a charcoal scrub. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I just wanted to give you guys an update. I hope you guys go out and pick up the scrub because I definitely would recommend it. Alright, see you guys in my next video. Bye!